Hello, students. Welcome to our class of Understanding Artificial Intelligence, where we will learn all about AI and its significance in the world around us. Artificial intelligence is concerned with constructing machines that can think and perform like humans. It is all around us. You can see artificial intelligence in self-driving cars, which are now produced by Tesla. Voice-activated technologies like Alexa, robocars, drones, etc. Today, AI is used in multiple industries such as healthcare, entertainment, banks, manufacturing, education, amongst others. Let's start with the basics of what a computer is. A computer is a machine. It works using electricity. I'm sure you know that. This means when there is no electricity or battery backup, the computers will not work. Computers can store data, but they do not have their own intelligence to use it. So, to use this data, they need instructions from humans. Then, what exactly is intelligence? Can you tell me? Well, let me help you out with it. Many times, we hear that scientists and astronauts are intelligent. Dogs and horses are the most intelligent animals. Dolphins are among the most intelligent fish, and ants are intelligent insects. So, what exactly does being intelligent mean? Intelligence is the capacity to learn from experience, adapt to new circumstances, understand and manage complex ideas, and apply knowledge to influence one's surroundings. To solve different types of problems, different types of intelligence are needed. Now there are more types of intelligence. Every individual is distinct. There are 9 different types of intelligence that humans possess. We all have a mix of different types of intelligence. First is naturalist intelligence. It is defined as the ability to recognize and classify various natural things such as animals, plants, etc. A naturalist or a person having this type of intelligence can distinguish between natural living things. For example, a scientist who is a specialist in researching nature, a biologist whose primary interest is in the study of plants or animals. The second type is musical intelligence. Individuals with musical intelligence are sensitive to music, sounds, and vibrations around them, and also create music of their own by combining different sounds and vibrations. Next is logical mathematical intelligence. These people are capable of analyzing numbers, solving complex problems easily, and recognizing patterns. After that is existential intelligence. Existential intelligence is the sensitivity and ability to deal with deep questions, the capacity to use collective values and intuitions to understand others and the world around them, such as the meaning of life, why we die, etc. Fifth type is interpersonal intelligence. Individuals with high interpersonal intelligence are expert in resolving conflicts between relationships and are excellent communicators because their conversation with other people make them feel safe, secure, and close to them. Next, we have bodily kinesthetic intelligence. The ability to control body movements and apply various physical talents is referred to as bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Athletes, dancers, surgeons, and others who work with their hands have highly developed this intelligence. The seventh type is linguistic intelligence, that is, the ability to learn, communicate, and explain things very well through a language. The persons having this type of intelligence are very good debaters. Next is intrapersonal intelligence, which is the ability to comprehend oneself and one's ideas and feelings, as well as the ability to apply that knowledge to plan and guide one's life. Psychologists, Spiritual leaders and philosophers are all examples of intrapersonal intelligence. And ninth and lastly is spatial intelligence, where the persons having this type of intelligence love visuals. They perceive and think about things in graphics and have strong visualization power. They are creative in designing things. To put it simply, intelligence comes from learning. It is used to draw conclusions and solve problems. It also helps to solve different types of problems. Moreover, for different types of problems, different intelligence is needed. Let's now dive into what the two words artificial and intelligence put together mean. Artificial defines man-made and intelligent defines thinking power. Hence, AI means a man-made thinking power. Isn't that simple? So, when a machine can make intelligent decisions, it can be referred to as being intelligent artificially. The term artificial intelligence was first coined by Stanford researcher John McCarthy in 1956, according to whom AI is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence is a technology and a branch of computer science that deals with teaching machines to learn, think, decide, and act as human would. Just as human intelligence is of different types, artificial intelligence can also be classified into different categories. Some machines are good at playing different sports. Some are good at driving a vehicle on road or flying a drone. Some machines can detect cancer cells, while others can churn huge numbers to provide useful predictions. Yet, there are some machines that can understand natural language to execute voice commands, classify documents, and process hundreds and thousands of pages of text. Let's look at what the main advantages of AI brings us. First is high accuracy with less errors. AI devices are less prone to errors and have high accuracy. Second is high speed. AI systems possess high speed and fast decision-making capability. They have defeated several masters in the game of chess. Third is high reliability. AI machines are extremely dependable and can repeatedly perform actions with great precision. Next is useful for risky areas. In instances where employing a human would be unsafe, such as defusing a bomb or researching the ocean below, AI computers can be useful. Fifth is digital assistant. AI may be highly useful in providing people with digital assistants. For example, Siri on iPads and iPhones. And sixth and lastly, it's useful as a public utility. AI may be very valuable for public utilities such as self-driving cars, which can make our journey safer and more convenient. However, any technology has drawback and there are also disadvantages of AI, which we will now discuss. The first disadvantage is that it is an expensive hardware and software. AI's hardware and software requirements are quite expensive as it requires a lot of maintenance. Second is, it can't think out of the box. Even though we are making smarter machines with AI, they still cannot think out of the box, and the robots will only do the work for which they are trained or programmed. Next is that they have no feelings and emotions. AI machines do not have feelings as they cannot make any kind of emotional attachment with humans and may sometimes be harmful to users if the proper care is not taken. Fourth is the increased dependency on machines. As technology advances, people are becoming increasingly dependent on machines. The fifth and last disadvantage is no original creativity. AI computers will never be able to match this level of intellect or be as creative and imaginative as humans. Let's now explore a very interesting topic and see the comparison between human and artificial intelligence. starting with their nature. While human intelligence aims to adapt to new environments by utilizing a combination of different cognitive processes, AI aims to build machines that can mimic human behavior and perform human-like actions. The human brain is analogous, but machines are digital. About their functioning, humans use their brain computing power, memory, and ability to think, whereas AI-powered machines rely on data and specific instructions fed into the system. In their learning power, human intelligence is all about learning from various incidences and past experiences. It is about learning from mistakes made via a trial and error approach throughout one's life. Intelligent thought and intelligent behavior lie at the core of human intelligence. However, artificial intelligence-enabled machines cannot think. They can learn from data and through continuous training, but they can never achieve the thought process unique to humans. While AI-powered systems can perform specific tasks quite well, it can take years for them to learn a completely different set of functions for a new application area. Now, it's time to go back in time a bit and look at the origin and beginning of AI. More than 70 years ago, research into artificial intelligence was started with the hopes that computers will one day be able to think similarly to humans. Ambitious promises attracted huge amounts of money, but after a few decades, there wasn't much fruitful result. However, in the past 25 years, the development of AI and technology advancements have brought us closer to achieving the goals of those pioneers. The rise of artificial intelligence started with 6 main design aims, which are: teach machines to think so they can perform challenging mental tasks like playing chess or proving mathematical theorems. Knowledge representation machines must be able to recognize objects, people, and languages in order to interact with the real world in a manner similar to that of humans. Train computers to map out and navigate the globe. This would allow machines to navigate themselves without human assistance. Allow machines to analyze natural language so they can understand language, dialogues, and the context of a speech. Train computers to recognize touch, sensation, sight, hearing, and taste in the same way that people do. Sixth and lastly is that general intelligence include creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence. Now let's see the well-known artificial technologies that exist in many forms in today's world. Well, you can help me if I've missed out on any. First is a humanoid robot named Sophia, created by Hanson Robotics. She is known as the first robo-citizen. What distinguishes Sophia from previous humanoids is her likeness to an actual human being, with her ability to see, image recognition, make facial expressions, and communicate through AI. Second is Echo, which is a sophisticated gadget launched by Amazon that can assist us to find appointments, information on the internet, thermostats, reading audiobooks, answering questions, and reporting traffic and weather. Third is navigation and travel. Google Maps, GPS, and autopilot on airplanes are some of the best examples of AI in navigation and travel. Machine learning algorithms like Dijkstra's algorithm are used to find the shortest possible route between 2 points on the map. However, certain factors are also taken into account, including traffic and road blockage to find an optimal route. Another well-known AI tech is Netflix, which is a well-known video-on-demand service. Netflix uses predictive technology and a variety of records to provide help based on customers' preferences, decisions, and behavior, as well as their attitudes. Next is barometric facial recognition. When you use biometrics to unlock your mobile phone or computer device through Face ID, artificial intelligence is used to allow that capability. For example, Apple's Face ID can see in 3D. It lights up your face, places 30,000 invisible infrared dots on it, and capture an image. It then uses machine learning algorithms to compare the scan of your face with what it has stored about your face to determine if the person trying to unlock the phone is you or not. Apple states that the chance of fooling Face ID is 1 in a million. The fifth and the last well-known AI technology we will be learning about is self-driven cars. Google's subsidiary Waymo developed a self-driven car after research that began in 2007. After several test drives and improvements, the self-driven version of Waymo with no driver and any human help was tested successfully on real road in Texas. Waymo is equipped with a rooftop camera, LiDAR, to create a 3D vision for the car 200 meters around. Overall, it has 6 such sensors. It has GPS sensors to help it assess road conditions and lane positions. Gyroscopes, tachometers, and altimeters fitted inside the car help it maintain its direction and balance. The car is able to identify other vehicles and obstacles in front and around. It identifies traffic signals and hand gestures made by other commuters. And with that, students, we have reached the end of our chapter of understanding artificial intelligence. I hope you learned the importance and significance of AI in our world. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.